Right. Hey folks, I'm in New Orleans and there are bees in this column right here. We're going to open this column up, remove the bees today. Hope you enjoy the video. Got bees down in here. So we got a gentleman that showed up just now, and he's got one of those little drones.
Yeah.
And he's getting it right now. He's going to set it up and fly it around a column. He wanted to know if he could operate his drone and have it fly around the bees. I'm like, no problem. We'll film it. Seen the beehive?
I'm looking at it, baby. It's
what
amazing.
You think of that?
Huh?
What you think of that?
It's beautiful.
It got honey in it. Go get you some.
No shit, not me. I don't know that much.
You can borrow my smoke.
We just couldn't understand that you didn't get stung. You have some kind of repellent or something.
You want to borrow my smoke? You can smoke them and grab some honey.
Oh no.
No?
He's smoking. He know
Well,
what.
you can put some right in that little net on top right there.
Yes, Lord.
Put some comb right in there.
Put it in.
I like that. I might have to use one of them. Here we go. Here we go. You can get a little closer if you want. That is some cool stuff, man. Check this thing out, folks.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Alright folks, let's get back to some insect drones.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.
We got John Kramer that showed up, a friend of mine who keeps bees in New Orleans, folks.
You were concerned when they ran the other way. What, they running up?
Well, I was hoping to get her on camera, you know, running down. But, doesn't matter, we got her, so. It's 2 o'clock. Our forecast today is for 96 degrees Fahrenheit at 3 o'clock with a heat index of 110 degrees. It's 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's hot out here. We're baking, okay? And I got my drinks and all that stuff with me. I'm gonna pick up, and I'm running off. John Kramer's running off. I'll be back later when it's a lot cooler to put the column back together and all that good stuff. I'm gonna fill the column with insulation, put it back together. Show it here. that little bit of paint. Things put back, sealed up. It's good to go. Queen's right in here on top of the box.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.